Check out this awesome Tupperware I just got, but this is kind of a special type of Tupperware. So they are saying this is kind of for fruit. You literally can use this for anything, but the reason why it is so good for fruit or vegetables is because it comes with the little strainer, or the colander as people call it, which is really great because I don't know if you know this, but you know, obviously we get our fruits, our vegetables, and then we rinse them off, and then oftentimes we'll go ahead and put them in a Tupperware in the fridge, and then when it's sitting there, sometimes that water starts to drip, and then your fruits and veggies are sitting on that water, and that is actually going to make them mold a lot faster. So having something like this, so we go ahead, we do our, you can just put them right in here, you can rinse them, you can clean them, you know, we give them a little bit of a shake, and then we put them inside here. So they do have like a little bit of the feet here, so then once it's sitting inside there, you've got a little bit of that edge there, so any water that's going to continue to drip off is just going to end up at the bottom of the container, and your fruit's not actually, or vegetables, is not actually going to be sitting right on top of it, which of course is key here, which is really great. So again, you can use it with these, you can use it just as regular Tupperware if you wanted to, and these right here, the lid's really fantastic because you've got that nice seal right there, so that these are then going to be leak proof. So if you are using it just for, you know, your soups and whatever, it's not going to be any issues. This is a set of 5, and the smallest one here is like a 0.4 of a cup, and it goes all the way up to 4.41 cups. So as you can see, that one is quite large. So really great array. And then when you're not using them, let's say all of them you're tucking away, they actually all fit inside of each other, and they fit in this big one, so they'll tuck away nice and easy. So if you're looking for a great way to obviously have your fruits and vegetables last a little bit longer, maybe have your fridge look really nice and organized, these are fantastic.